Hi, I'm Liz. I'm one of your Flik registered dietitians, and today I'm in the kitchen with my two nieces.
Hi, I'm Gianna, and I'm 7 years old.
Hi, I'm Amelia, and I'm 4 years old.
So this is Amelia and Gianna. They are 7 and 4, and today we're going to make a really simple breakfast. It is summer here, so it is super hot, and we are right in the middle of stone fruit season, so we're going to be using some fresh peaches today. We're going to do a little spin on our smoothie. Instead of putting them into a glass, we're actually going to make smoothie bowls. So it's more of an option that you eat with a spoon. They're really kind of getting popular in this area. There's a lot of smoothie bowl places popping up. But we are going to make our own today so that we can kind of control the ingredients. And it's really important to get your kids in the kitchen early. They can do small steps. Today they are both using just regular butter knives to kind of prep some of the fruit. So why don't you girls get started? Amelia and G, you can cut the tops off of your strawberries, and we also have some kiwis to slice up, which we're going to decorate the top of our smoothies with. So that's perfect. We are using kiwis today to decorate the top. This is a really good tip. This is called we call this a garbage bowl. A garbage bowl is just a small bowl that you keep on the station, and your kids can kind of just throw their scraps into them. Just watch your fingers. Perfect. So just put the tops in there, and then we're going to keep the strawberries whole on your cutting board.
That is a big piece.
Correct. So I'm going to show you really quick. These are kiwis. I usually peel them for them and then let them do the chopping. So you just kind of cut the tops off of this with a little bit of a sharper knife. And then you really want to just go down the fruit and kind of take off the peel. And we love kiwis, right, girls?
Mm-hmm. I even like strawberries.
Mm-hmm. And this is a great recipe. Smoothies are great because you can kind of really control the ingredients, and your kids can pick the fruits that they like. So giving them some autonomy in the kitchen and letting them choose is a great way to get them eating different foods. Okay, so while they're doing that, obviously this is a peach. Quick and easy way, just push your knife through, and then you want to give the peach a quick turn, keeping the knife still. And then the peach will just pop right in half, as you can see, and then you pull out the pit. Do you guys know why they call peaches stone fruits?
Why?
Why do you think?
Because there's a stone inside?
Exactly. So because there's a pit or a stone-like fruit or pit inside, we call these stone fruits. What other fruits have a pit like that in the inside?
Can I start cutting plum?
Sure. Yep, a plum. So Amelia loves cutting, so she's gonna get cutting over there. Okay, so we're gonna start making our smoothie. So we're making peach strawberry smoothies inside, and then we're gonna decorate the top like a rainbow with some different colored fruits. You can put them in your little bowl. Okay, so Amelia, can you put half your peach in here? You don't have to cut it, you can just throw it right in the blender.
All of it?
All of it. Okay, and then put your whole strawberries, ones that you didn't cut up. Not all of them, just put a couple in because we need some for the top,
I'll
right?
just put 3.
Okay, just
One,
put 3.
2, 3.
Perfect. And then Gianna's gonna put in her peach. So we're making one. You can keep cutting those. And then put in, let's say, half of your strawberries. So you can use we're gonna use, Gianna's not a milk lover. She does not like, do you like
I
milk?
like milk.
But Amelia likes milk. So we are gonna mix ours today. You can use any type of dairy that you have. Preferably if you're gonna use a non-cow's milk, I would suggest an unsweetened soy milk. It has the most protein. But we're gonna use a mix of orange juice today. We're gonna get that blended, and then we're gonna pour Gianna's out, and then we're gonna add the milk in for Amelia because she wants to have some milk. So Amelia, can you pour the juice into it?
Sure.
And again, this is pretty much something that your kids can do. Gianna could probably make this by herself with a little help with the blender. And then G's gonna pour in the ice.
All of it?
Pretty much all of it. That's good. Okay, and then we're just gonna screw on the top.
I'll tell you if this is full.
That looks full.
It looks full.
Okay, so I'm gonna start blending. Perfect.
I'm going to keep on cutting.
She's gonna keep on cutting. I'm gonna pour, just pour half of this for you, and then we're gonna blend it again for Amelia. There you go, pour it in. Perfect, maybe a little more. Okay, and then Amelia is gonna add some milk to hers. We just have a little bit of reduced fat cow's milk, so pour that in. Perfect. Now we're gonna blend up Amelia's. And again, you can really use yogurt if you have it, or Greek yogurt will give it a little bit more protein. This is also a great kind of like afternoon snack. When we have smoothies for breakfast, we will typically have maybe some scrambled eggs with it or something like that so that there is a little protein source. You could also freeze these into popsicles if you wanted to and have them as a little bit of a treat later on. So here's Amelia's. And that's basically it. So now what we're going to do is we're gonna just decorate the top of our smoothie bowls. Amelia's still cutting. We're gonna decorate the top of our smoothie bowls to look like a rainbow. So you can really control the toppings. If you wanted to put a little granola on top if you had it, that would be great. If you're doing this more as a dessert, what could we put on top, do you think?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. We could maybe put some chocolate chips if it's really a dessert.
Oranges.
Or oranges. So we're just gonna kind of get decorating here. And as you can see, it's as simple as that. This takes just a few minutes in the morning. To make your life a little bit easier if it's a busy school day, you could throw all of your fruit into a freezer bag and just pop it right into the blender in the morning. You have all that washed and ready to go. Feel free, we are, like I said, we are in the middle of summer, so our peaches and strawberries are really in season here, but if not, you can substitute frozen fruit. I actually love frozen fruit in smoothies because you don't have to add as much ice, but that's totally up to you. If you are using canned fruit, opt for something that's in fruit juice and not syrup. But that's about it. So now we have this great breakfast that we're gonna get started on, and that's about it. So if you're interested in more videos, feel free to check out Flik Hospitality on Instagram or Facebook, and also you can check out our blog.